Hey girl, thank you for being here. We have this new wig from Luvme Hair, and I'm going to go ahead and show you everything that comes in the packaging. We do have the wig, of course, and I'll get into all of the details in just a little bit. This wig also comes with a mesh storage bag to store your wig in case you do not want to store it in a box. It also comes with an elastic edge band to help melt your lace. They also included some air fresheners to actually smell really good. There is also some lace skin tape. This is used to go up under the lace to give your lace a more realistic appeal. They also included some box labels in case you do decide to store your wig inside the box. A set of HD wig caps, and of course this really nice user guide and a thank you card. Now this wig from Luvme Hair is the ash blonde peekaboo brown pixie cut wig. This is a minimalist lace wig, meaning that the lace is only available within the parting, and this wig comes pre-parted on the left hand side in the C shape part. This is a 100% human hair wig with 150% density, and yes, this is HD lace. Now this is a glueless wig, so it does come with a glueless cap construction. We have two combs in the front, there is one comb in the back. There are also adjustable straps and an adjustable elastic band. And it also comes with a partial stretch fit cap to give you extra room and comfort. I first like to try the wigs on straight out of the box so you can get an idea of how the wig looks as is. And this is how it looks. Now, mind you, I am of a darker complexion, so it is typical for me to have to tint the lace on all of my units for that reason. But I do think that the lace and the hairline look pretty good as is. If you are of a lighter complexion, you may not even have to do this step. But I am going to go in with my lace tint spray from Red Kiss. This is in the shade dark brown. It's my all-time favorite lace tint spray. It's quick drying and it's peach scented. So if you're interested in a really good lace tint spray, I got this one from Amazon. I'll have it linked down below. Now that the lace is tinted, this is what the wig looks like. I'm going to try it on again so you can get the full effect of what the wig looks like. If you decide to get this wig, or if you're thinking about getting this wig, a few things I want to mention before you purchase. If you have a lot of hair, like if your hair is really thick like mine, or even longer or thicker, I would highly recommend that you professionally get your hair braided down, specifically so that it can be really flat in the back, because that's the only way that this wig is going to look seamless and natural. They did a really good job with the construction of this unit and making it look like a realistic pixie wig, especially in the back. However, I have really thick hair and I braided my hair down myself. So in the back, you may notice that it's not as flat as it could be, and that is no fault to the wig at all. My braids are actually really thick up under this wig. So if you want a really flat and really realistic install with this wig, I highly recommend you do some really teeny tiny braids with your hair, or go to a salon and get it professionally braided underneath, so that way you can get a seamless install. Now, in terms of the style of this wig has so much body, and if you've seen a lot of my videos, you know I love big hair, but this wig actually had a lot more volume than I expected. I showed you how it came pre-styled straight out of the box. Now you can style this wig different ways because it is human hair. You can curl it. I did curl it off camera just to see what it looked like. It was actually pretty cute. If you're going to curl it, I would recommend using the really tiny flat iron, the mini flat irons that you use on short hair. Those would be great with this wig. But after I curled it, I straightened it again and bumped the ends to see what it would look like styled that way, and this is pretty much how it turned out. I prefer this styled. It looks really cute. It looks more grown and sexy this way. Overall, I think this is a great style. I would give this wig 4 stars out of 5. I think Luvme Hair consistently has a great branding. They always do a great job with their packaging. I think the quality of this wig is very nice, especially for an ash blonde wig. The hair is very soft, it's not stiff, it's very bouncy, very flowy. And I think they also did a really great job with the cap construction. Had my braids been less bulky, this would have been a really seamless, undetectable Pixie wig. But I will take away a few points because for me personally, it had a little too much volume in the front of the wig, and I feel like that made it a little bit more difficult to style the wig. You cannot get a completely flat hairstyle with this wig. The wig is constructed in a way so that the wig maintains its volume. You cannot flatten the hair. It kind of takes away from the versatility of the wig. You can only wear this wig with big body hairstyles. If you're interested in purchasing this wig specifically, I'll have it linked down below in the description box, so you can go ahead and check that out. I also have a special coupon code with Love Me Hair, so if you use this code, you can save 28% off of your orders. And if you do not wish to purchase this wig specifically, you can still use the coupon code to save yourself 28% off of any of the items on the Love Me Hair site. But that's all I have for you. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know down in the comment section what you think of this pixie cut wig from Love Me Hair. Would you try it? Would you not? Is it a hit or is it a miss? Let me know. Make sure you're subscribed for more videos and content like this, and I'll see you in the next video.